teacher T-Rex. So today is Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna make a turkey. Now let's unpackage the turkey. So I'm gonna get my scissors and cut some of the wrapping off. And I got a little cut in. I'm gonna put the scissors through the hole. And I got a bigger cut. And a bigger cut. And I'm gonna cut more. Cut. Now I'm gonna peel this off. And there's the turkey. Here are some salt and some pepper. So I'm gonna be rubbing these two onto the inside and the outside of the turkey. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and rub it onto the turkey. Oops. And some pepper onto the delicious turkey. Rub it. Get some pepper for the inside. Rub it in. Get some salt for the inside too. And all around. Then rub it all around inside and onto the legs. Inside of the legs. Now I got some melted butter and I'm going to chop some mint and put it into the butter. Now I put the mint in, and after that I'm going to put some garlic in too. So I'm going to grind it. Now I'm putting the paste onto the turkey. So here are some of the things that I'm going to put into the turkey. So I'm going to put the apple into here, deep in there, and then get a celery stick, put it in there. Then I'll get an onion, put it in there, and an apple again. And another celery stick. And an apple again. And some lemon. So I'm just going to put the lemon into the top part of the side. Then another lemon. And another celery stick. Now I put this into a pot, so I'm gonna put it into the oven. Satsumaimo wa sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Mekabetsu wa Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. It's been 2 hours, so let's open the oven. So I'm done making the turkey. So I'm gonna check the temperature. are some vegetables and some mashed potatoes, some pumpkin pie, the stuffing, gravy sauce, cranberry sauce, and last but not least, the turkey! Hey TT, do you know what Thanksgiving means? Oh, I actually happened to do a research of it. Thanksgiving Day is a national holiday in the United States. In 1621, the Plymouth colonists and Winnipeg Indians shared an autumn harvest feast that is acknowledged today as one of the first Thanksgiving celebrations in the colonies. channel登録よろしくね。バイバイ